A beautiful morning starts with a glorious mindset. Just take a moment and savor the look of nature. Give thanks for life. Look at the dew, the raindrops on the cabbage. Just imagine planting a seed and reaping something bigger than the tiny seed. This is called nature. And I'm showing you what it is like to get up in the morning, get out in the garden and see things that you have birthed. In other words, the tiny seeds has become so much, it's multiplied, and it is one of the most glorious things to plant things that are unnatural to plant in a country that you don't get a lot of sunshine. This is the pigeon peas. We call it gungo peas in Jamaica. And also a lot of peppers. And watch my cat. Hey, Spice. Yes, it's a glorious morning. Give thanks for life. And then when I look to the skies and I see the castor oil that is growing and it's non-stop, it makes me stop and say, wow, castor oil growing in London? This is what you see in Jamaica. You don't see this here. No. Oh, look at the wind. Look, it's blowing. It's gonna blow down my tree. Oh, the tree is blowing. Oh, you see what I talk about nature? It is vital to come out and breathe that air and knowing that there is a God and we are alive. Give thanks. And I'm telling you, this tree is going to be the top girl in the garden. But yes, it has a company, the second oil nut, which is the red oil nut. Yes, very unusual to have the oil nut growing right here. But yes, very growing all these things. Look, and the bees love the oil nut. But yeah, the oil nut, the peppers, unusual peppers, the gungo peas. Let's have a look at this. I'll soon be having rice and peas for my dinner from the garden. Yes, just by planting a seed. Look, and the blossoms, the flower, the yellow flower. The bees love it also. Well, yeah, my cabbages, I had to cover them because this is, oh, I heard the bees. This is life. Look at that. Talk about nature. And did you know that the gungo peas is one of the biggest nitrogen for the garden? And also, if you don't have bees, we'll be extinct. For if there's no bees to pollinate the garden, then what would happen? From what I understand, that we'll be dead in months if there weren't any bees. So protect wildlife, protect the bees. Yes, I had to cover the cabbage because of those little insects. But yes, the color, the garden is full of color. Let me get over here. You can see the marigold, the beauty of the marigold, and it's to protect a lot of slugs from the garden. There is a white pepper. I'm trying to find it. Let me see if I can find it. There's a white pepper. I think it's right here, you know. Let's have a look. I think it's not here. It's not here. Hold on. Let's have a look. There's a lot of peppers here, guys. But there's, oh, right here is. There's a white pepper. You see? And it's been white for weeks. See what it looks like there? It's a white pepper. But yes, there's a lot of pepper. These are habaneros, guys. So yes, and the twin one has ripened. The twin one has ripened, guys. Look at the twin pepper has ripened. So there's a lot of habaneros and they're ripening yellow. I don't see any red one yet. We have red ones, you know. I'm not seeing a red one yet. But yes, the color, I cut the color so it's not as big as it was. So, right, the potatoes is here and the shard is there. Right, the colorlows are seeding, so we soon get that cut. But if you have a look from this angle and see the greenery, let me take this out because I think this is right. When you look at the greenery of the garden, it's yay. Yes. The greenery of the garden, the pollinators. Remember, I spoke about the bees. The greatest thing that you have to have in your garden is pollinators. Ensure that you always have pollinators. This one is called Donna and it's a hebe. The bees love it. This is echinacea and it's another good pollinator for the garden. Another hebe. This is another one as well. Savior. Yes. And the Scotch bonnet peppers are coming through. Let's have a look. Yes, the Scotches are coming through. There is my Scotchies. Yay! And oh my gosh, these are so colorful. Look at, oh, there's another bees. Remember these, oh, my zinnias. They love the bees as well. They love the bees. Always. Always. This is a colorful garden. As I said, a beautiful morning starts with a beautiful mindset. And if you take a step back and realize that once you start with that beautiful mindset, it flows throughout the day. And if you have a look over here, I have made a new addition to the garden. This is where all the peppers are sitting. They're all ripened. Look, the ghost, the habaneros. Look at this black one here, this purple one, and it changes the color. Look, this is a Jamaican mint, aubergine. I think you can get to see a lot inside there. It's a lot. See a lot in there. See all the peppers in there. The hot fajita peppers, habaneros, and then you come down here to look at these ones. This one is the Trinidad Moruga Scorpion. Look, it is, look at that beauty. Now look at this one. You know that is my favorite. This is the Armageddon. This is Armageddon. And where is, I think it's at the back. Oh, it's at the back. It's the, oh, I can't get to it, innit? How can I get over here? See if I can get in here and see. You see the, yep, look. That's a reaper with the tail. Yep. You see the tail? That's a reaper with the tail. I got in there. How lovely. How lovely, guys, to just sit back and look at, this is Trinidad Scorpion, the Armageddon. The sun is in the Armageddon, and they're crisp and beautiful. And look, the Joe's Long is another one. It's ripened and it's looking really pretty. See how long that one is? The Joe's Long. And there's another one here. Look, I will definitely do. There's so many. And the cucumbers, oh, overnight they just extend. Imagine, this was like, look at this one. This was like, look, see that? That's beautiful. That is so beautiful. Ooh, and this is ripened. Yes, that's ripened. That's ripened. And then the chocha is stuck right between the the thing. Yeah, that one's coming. So yeah, so far, ooh, there's churches hanging on here. Right, guys, lovely, 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 lovely. Strawberries are still there, yeah. And if I look and see some ripe tomatoes, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my garden. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.